Mastering the Art of Upselling, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: upselling. Whether you are in the business world, working in retail, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. We're going to break down what upselling means, how it's used in conversations, and give you some examples to help you understand this concept better. So, let's dive in. Upselling is a sales technique where a seller invites the customer to purchase more expensive items, upgrades, or other add-ons in an attempt to make a more profitable sale. The main idea is to maximize the value of a sale, and it's a common practice in various industries. For example, if you go to a fast food restaurant and order a burger, the employee might ask, "Would you like to make it a combo with fries and a drink for just $2 more?" This is a classic example of upselling. Understanding upselling is crucial, especially if you are in a business or sales-related field. It can lead to increased revenue for a business, and when done correctly, it can also enhance the customer's experience by helping them find additional value in their purchase. Moreover, learning about upselling also helps you as a consumer to recognize when it's happening, so you can make more informed decisions about your purchases. Let's go through some examples to see upselling in action. 1. In a retail store, you're buying a new phone, and the salesperson says, "For just $50 more, you can get the model with double the storage." 2. At a car dealership, you're looking at a basic car model, and the dealer suggests, "Have you considered the premium package? It includes leather seats and a better sound system." 3. In a software sale, you're about to purchase a basic software package, and the salesperson mentions, "Many of our customers find great value in our Pro version, which has additional features that could be very beneficial for you." And that's a wrap on upselling. We hope this video has helped shed light on what upselling means and how it's used in different scenarios. Remember, understanding these sales techniques not only helps in professional settings but also empowers you as a consumer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.